Hello everyone, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day in the sunshine for once, twice maybe. Um, just doing a couple of rolls, just white rolls. I've got some leftover curry from yesterday which I'm just gonna bang in the microwave and heat up. Gonna chuck that in there, gonna chuck some cheese in it. So I might even put some bacon in it as well, just something different I suppose. And I'm gonna heat all of that sort of through and sort of toast it a bit in a ridge monkey. I don't know if you've seen a ridge monkey before. That's a ridge monkey. I use it for fishing. There you go. I'll chuck them in there, heat them through, and hopefully they'll be banging. Right, there's my couple of rolls. There's the curry that I cooked last night. If you're not seeing that one, have a look at the channel. Got a couple of slices of cheese to go in there, and a couple of bits of leftover bacon from all them bacon rolls I've had. Not forgetting the jalapenos. So just buttered the rolls. They're ready to be cooked. Bacon's in there. So there's the ridge monkey. Just got a couple of rolls in there. Buttered. The other two are still over there on the plate. Cheese slices. Ingredients there somewhere. Cheese. Yeah. So a bit of cheese in there. Curry's heated up to molten. Move that out of the way. Slam that on there, and hopefully, yeah, might sort of work. Bang it on the heat for a minute. I'll get rid of that and that. Go back in there. And drink there. Yeah, it's melting and sliding. You see that or not? Look, it's like, see you later. Get that on there that way. Might be a bit better. Oh, a bit of bacon poking out. That's going to catch light, isn't it? That'd be fun. Oh well. That'd be right. It's doing something. Not very interesting for you guys though, is it? See if I take it that way. And then, there you go. Yep. That bit of bacon there is burning. So let's see what that's like. Oh yeah. It's nearly done that. Let's have a few. Oh, look at them. Bit of a side helping of jalapenos, eh? Hello, jalapenos. Ah. She's smoking. So what's cooked that side? Oh yeah, that's well cooked. Oh. Remember not to put that on the side, because the side will melt. Try not to throw it all over the kitchen cupboards, so I'll be in deep trouble. There you go, something like that. Chuck that in there. Maybe not. Start washing up in a minute. So yeah. Oh, there you go. Curry, cheese, bacon in a white roll. A little bit burnt, but hey, not as bad as that one. That's all right. I can eat the crisp. I don't mind that. And well, the bacon for that one. Where's that? Chuck that in there. Chuck that on there. So there you go. Lovely old job. Right.